diving up there. A lot of people coming down. Got music, entertainment, dancers, performers.
Davo was a wandering man. He had adventure in his soul. From the moment he set foot in Thailand, he knew he'd reach his goal. Through the bustling city streets and the temples old and grand, he'd follow on the go with Davo, holding on to his hand. Ooh yeah. With Davo by my side, we'll ride along the salty sea with a backpack full of dreams. We'll chase the breeze so free, all the places we will see as we roam from town to town. Follow on the go with Davo, let the adventurous down. Oh, follow on the go with Davo, let the adventurous down.
There you go.
What do you get?
Never seen it quite like that before.
ชิมได้ค่ะ
มะพร้าวไหม
ใช่ค่ะ
โอ้
โคโคนัท
เอาถึงครับนี่
ปลาถุงนึงนะคะ
25 บาทใช่ไหม Oh my God, Davo. Davo. Yeah, yeah. That's nuts, man.
Trying this coconut. See what it tastes like. Take my mask off.
That is really good. Loy mak mak, that's what we say. Loy mak mak.
That is nice.
Need to get you a traditional shirt. They're nice. I like the root beer one.
quite a long walk along here, along the markets. Product here, it's past customs. Oh, there they are, this is starting to look quite nice here now. Now it's dark, you can see all the lighting.
จีนเซลล์ใหม่เซลล์ขายของกับขนมจีนมันมีความพิเศษยังไงมันแซ่บยังไง
They got some entertainment going on over there. A bit too far from it.
จะบอกเลยนะคะถึงเครื่องมากที่พัดตำเครื่องแกงกับมือนะคะโอ้โหเมื่อวานเป็นขนมจีนตีนไก่ใช่ไหมคะรสแซ่บมากนะคะ
Look nice looking restaurant up there called Hot. I think it says Hot Narika. It's very laid back inside. Oh, the crowds disappeared in this section. Oh, this is an awesome market. I think we've come to just about to the end of the market here.